Halo teman-teman, apa kabar semua? Welcome back to Aunty Dann's kitchen. Today Aunty is gonna show you how am I gonna make sun-dried belimbing bulo or Averrhoa Bilimbi and its syrup. So come, let's join Aunty. So these are the Averrhoa Bilimbi or Belimbing bulo. They are already washed clean. And now okay, Aunty start to preserve the Averrhoa Bilimbi. With sugar. I'm using 1 kilogram of sugar, but I don't mix it all at one time. I'm using about 750 grams of sugar first. Okay, mix it well. Alright, 2 teaspoons of salt. Okay, that's it. This fruit is very sour and the amount is about 2 kilos. 2 kilograms of these fruits. Okay, that's it. Very simple. Wait for 3 days, then we will see the result. This is how it looks like. The Averrhoa Bilimbi or Belimbing bulo or bamboo starfish. This is the family of star fruits, and this one is very sour. Very sour. It's very sour than the star fruit, and it comes from the same family. This one I already preserved for 2 days with sugar and a little bit of salt. These are the juice. They already marinate for 2 days, and now I'm going to boil this juice. So these are the juice. They already boiled, and I'm going to add sugar. This is the balanced sugar yesterday, 2 days ago. This one about 250 grams. I'm going to add more sugar. This process will ensure the sugar will go into the fruits, and then the sour juice of the fruit will comes out. It will blend together. It will produce a very delicious fruits, dry fruits that I'm gonna process later. Today is the second day. Do it like this. Every single piece of the fruits we have to pierce through like this with fork. I should say this is our local resin. If in Western country they produce dry resin using grapes, but in Malaysia and Indonesia, the origin of this fruit, we use this to make resin, dry resin like the grapes, but we use this Averrhoa Bilimbi or bamboo star fruit. So the amount of sugar is exactly 1 kilogram. Okay, the sugar dissolved. I'm gonna add in the fruits. And continue to boil it for about 20 minutes. Wait until it gets cold. Then I will put it back into the container and preserve it for another night. Tomorrow I will continue with the process. Hello friends. So this is the fruits that I already preserved for about 5 days. 3 days I preserve it with salt and a little bit of salt and sugar, and then on the 4th day I pierce through the skin of the fruits to excrete the sour juice from the fruits and to ensure the sugar will seep into the fruit so it will taste good. There will be no more sour. There is a little bit of sour, but the balance of sour and sweet is just nice. And then after that I boil it for a while and then continue to preserve for another 2 days. Actually I only need for another 1 day, but then because of the weather is not reliable, so I let it remain preserved in the sugar brine. That's the juice of the fruits become the brine to preserve this. So now I see the weather is good, so I'm trying to dry this under the sun. Okay, stay tuned guys. So this is the ending of the preserve, and the flowing process is that I'm going to dry it under the sun until these fruits dry. It will become like raisin in Western country, but this is Malaysia, we don't have grapes, so we use this Averrhoa Bilimbi or Belimbing telunjuk or bamboo style fruits to make resin. Stay tuned guys, follow auntie, okay? Until the end, how is this going to end? And besides, these are the juice that already drained out from the fruits, and I'm gonna boil this and turn this into syrup later on. Alright, the flowing process, I'm going to boil this juice to make it into syrup, and I'm gonna sieve it first. It's been boiling for some time. Okay, off it. We off the flame. That's it. This is going to be the syrup. Averrhoa Bilimbi syrup. Syrup Belimbing buluh. Bamboo star fruits syrup. Let's display the fruits on this basket. See? One by one, we do it. Okay. Pray that today the weather will be good. Dry, very hot sun so that it will dry very fast. Don't put too near. Done. Okay, now it's drying process. Okay, stay tuned guys. So these are the drying process. That's how it is. I need to cover it with this netting to prevent flies or any insect, to avoid contamination. So this will take days, I guess, because today the sunlight is not really promising. So stay tuned guys. There's the sunlight covered by the clouds. Friends, this is how the Averrhoa Bilimbi has been dry for about 4 days. Belimbing buluh or bamboo starfruit. This is how it looks like after dry. See? Very nice. And Aunty testing. Okay. Wow, nice. Sweet and sour. This is the ending of the dry fruits, Averrhoa Bilimbi. They already dry for almost 5 days. And these are the syrup from Averrhoa Bilimbi. And these are the fruits. Okay, Aunty tasting. Anyway, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. May God bless everyone. Bye-bye. See you in the next video.